Hey, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I am going to show you a super secret application that completely outperforms everything else out there. I will walk you step by step through how to load it onto your Amazon Fire Stick. This exact same process works on any Android device, Nvidia Shield, or Google TV system. This setup works on all Fire Stick models except for the Firestick Select. It is incredibly easy, and we are going to use a special installation wizard to fully load your device right now. First, we need to unlock your developer options. From the main home screen, go over to your settings menu. Scroll down and click on My Fire TV. Next, click into the About section. You will see your device name listed at the top. Highlight that name and click the center button on your remote 8 times. A message will pop up saying you are already a developer. Press the back button once and you will now see a brand new menu called Developer Options. Now, press the home button and go to the search icon. Type in Downloader and search for the app. Look for the orange icon with a big white D inside and click Download. Once it installs, open it up to verify it works. Press the home button, head back to Settings, go to My Fire TV and select Developer Options. Click on Install Unknown Apps and turn the switch to the on position for the Downloader app. Next, open the Downloader app and move your cursor up to the yellow URL box. Click inside and type newstore.tv or 8230349 for download code. If this link ever changes, you can always find the updated code or URL in the pinned comment or description below. Hit Next, and a white screen will pop up as it downloads our special TV wizard. Click Install, then click Done. Make sure to choose Delete to remove the installation file and save space. Go back to your developer options one more time and turn the permission settings to the on position for this new TV wizard. Launch the TV wizard app from your home screen. It will verify that your device is plugged into a physical wall outlet and check your available storage space. Click Continue. Before you can access the store, you must have a secure connection. Fire Stick apps and special streaming events will not populate links or function correctly without a premium VPN. We highly recommend using NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. It keeps you fully protected and completely anonymous while unlocking over 60 premium streaming applications. The NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. Once your VPN is active, open the TV wizard again. It will auto-detect your secure connection and give you a Continue button. Click on the first store link to download and install our custom app store. After it finishes, go to the second store option. If it ever asks you for a code, simply type in Firestick in all lowercase letters. Click Enter to install the second backup store. Go back to your Firestick developer options one final time and enable the unknown apps permissions for both new stores. Now launch the first store app and click Allow. You will see over 60 premium applications sorted by categories. Click on the My Best Apps section to access fully vetted streaming apps. Click on the main application logo to download and install it instantly. You can also browse the trending section for extra bonus applications. If you ever need the newest updated files, just go to the store settings icon and click Reset Data. Make sure to always turn the unknown apps permission to the on position for every individual app you download. That is how you fully unlock your device. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you and what device you are using. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, click subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next one.